everyone, my name is Jesse and welcome to English Bus. Today we will study American School Textbook Reading Key PreK4. Wow! Today for Unit 1 we will study countries in the world. Do you remember countries? Korea is a country, China is a country, and USA is a country. And in the world is where we live. Let's match the words with the correct pictures. Our first picture, or our first word is world. World, all right? All of the countries are in the world, okay? China, Korea, Canada, USA, Australia, Brazil, England are all in the world. Here is the world. See? Many different countries. Next, we have country. All right? Korea is a country. Here is South Korea. It's a country. Ding! Next, we have a city. A city is one place inside a country. All right? Seoul is a city in Korea. New York is a city in the USA. Here is Seoul. Seoul is a city. Pew! And the last thing we have is people. All right? I am a person. You are a person. We are people. Here are some people. Ding, ding, ding. How many countries? How many countries? Korea, Japan, China, Brazil, Canada, USA, Australia, England, France, Germany. 10? I don't know. There are 193 countries in the world. Wow, that's a lot of countries. Some countries are big. Some countries are small. Some cities have many people, millions and millions of people. Some cities have few people, only 1,000 people. Now let's look at the biggest countries. First biggest is Russia. Wow, look at that. It's really super big, right? The second biggest, number 2 is second, is Canada. Wow, yes, Canada is quite big. And the third biggest, 3 is third. The United States, or USA. This is the third biggest. See? Russia, number 1 big. So Russia is the first biggest. Canada, number 2 big. So we say Canada is the second biggest. And United States, number 3 big. United States is the third biggest. Here we can say United States is big, but Canada is bigger. Canada is bigger than USA, United States. And we can say Russia is the biggest. In the world, Russia is the biggest country. What are some big countries? What are some big countries? Russia is the biggest country in the world. Canada is the second biggest country in the world. See? Here's Russia. Here's Canada. Russia is bigger than Canada. Russia is the biggest. Canada is the second biggest. The United States is the third biggest country in the world. Russia is bigger than Canada. Canada is bigger than USA. United States is the third biggest country in the world. They are all very big. Now, let's read about the people in the world, all right? People, like me and you. People in the world. The first, remember, first means number one, is China. Wow, they have so many people. They are the first. What about number two? Number two is the second. That is India. India is the second for people in the world. Yes, there are many people in India. And the third for people in the world is, again, the United States. The United States still has many people. They are number three, the third. Let's read more about people in the world. Here, maybe like United States, is many. Look at that, there's many people, many. But after that, there's India. Look, India has more. This is many people, but this is more people. This is more people. And this is a more people, but look at this. This is even more. This is the most, right? This is more than here and more than here. Number one, the most people. This is more people than here. This is more people than here and here. So this is the most. The most. Which countries have many people? China has the most people in the world. China is number one. China has the most people. India has the second most people in the world. Second, number two most people. The second most people is India. And the United States has the third, number three, has the third most people in the world. All right, number one, the first, China, most people. India has the second most people in the world. United States has the third most people in the world. India has more people than United States. China has the most people. But they all have many people. Now, let's read these words. What is this? This is Korea's flag. Flag. See, here are many different flags, and they are all different. They are all special, right? They are good, and they are different. They are special. And all flags have special designs. Designs, all right? The United States flag has stars and stripes, and this country's flag has a bird, all right? Canada's flag has a leaf design, and Japan's flag has a circle design. There are many different designs. Countries have flags. Every country has a flag. See, China, USA, Korea, all have flags. A country's flag is special for it. Flags have special designs. Flags have special colors, pictures, stars, circles. Those are designs. Some flags have stars. See, China's flag and the USA flag have stars. Some flags have birds. This country's flag has a bird. Korea's flag has a circle called the taeguki, and it has some lines. Now it's time for Let's Read. Let's read, did you know? Many countries have red, blue, and white on their flags. See, France has red and blue and white. USA has red and blue and white. Korea has red and blue and white and black. Many countries have red, blue, and white on their flags. Each color has a special meaning. Very special. Some countries have stars on their flags. See, this country has a star. This flag has many stars. Some countries have the sun or moon on their flags. Yes, this country right here has a moon on the flag. The sun, moon, and stars have special meanings. Korea's flag too has the taeguki on the flag. The taeguki has special meaning. And that is everything for Unit 1.